Hey, hello, welcome to FS with SRIKANTH. In the previous lecture, we discussed this text formatting tags in detail and with a practical execution is also there. Please watch this text formatting tags lecture, and this is the most important for academic. The pre-formatted the text. This is nothing but preserved tag. So here I have one problem in the previous execution, previous programming. Suppose I want to place the content. Suppose in a previous lecture, like I want to place after one word. Suppose I am is there. I want to leave some tab spaces after. How it possible? I want to place some different languages. Suppose Telugu content or Hindi content. I want to place as it is, right? How we can place, right? So just you observe, and here it is not possible with the default one. Without preserve tag, it is not at all possible. So with the help of this preserve tag only, we can leave some particular spaces. Browser can accept it only. So just you observe pre.html, right? pre.html. So here this is your program execution. This is your program execution. Suppose I want to place welcome to FS with SRIKANTH, right? But here the problem is that I want to leave some space here. Welcome to. So different space are there, but just observe, it never gives. It only gives one blank space only. But after FS also, I want to take multiple spaces I require, but it is generally it is not at all possible, right? It gives only one space only, but I required multiple spaces. Just you observe, I am using one of the pre tag, preserve tag. Just same content I am placing here, same content, copy. Just observe what happens. The browser accepts now. The browser multiple blank spaces it accepts, but here without preserve tag it not accepts. And here I am placing this again same content. Just observe, it is accepted, right? But in olden days it is not at all possible. So PR tag is deprecated actually, but now this browser is accepting this. The same content, suppose I am opening with this this one again, it is also updated, right? In the older version it will be not works. I know this. I think it is also valid actually. It works, but in olden days, in initial days, actually this feature is not there, right? The browser is not accepting this type of content. So this is one of the advantage of preserve tag. The multiple blank spaces we can place. Suppose here I am placing here spaces is there, right? Suppose I am placing 10, actually 3 spaces, right? What happens? But it not works now. SRIKANTH, obviously it consider only single space, but it not jumps to next line, right? Everything there, just to observe. But when you are observing this, suppose we are converting to this pre tag, and what happens? This is a pre SRIKANTH, just everything, that same content we place here. What happens? Just you observe, multiple tab spaces, line spaces. If you require, definitely we use this pre tag. With the help of pre tag we did. In olden days we can represent Telugu content and different language content. That time the browser is not supporting that type of different languages, that different type of symbols. Browser is not supporting that. Now browsers are updated, and it is very easy to accept it, right? Accepting that browser and decoding that entire content very easily. But this one, the multiple blank spaces, multiple line spaces, and it will multiple tab spaces are done with help of preserve tag only, right? But preserve tag is deprecated from HTML. If you want to preserve tag feature with help of CSS only, we can achieve this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.